Good morning, children. Welcome to ES class. Okay, children. In previous class only we learned different types of energies. Okay, they are muscular energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, mechanical energy, and heat energy. Okay. In today's class also we have to learn different types of energy. First one, solar energy. Okay. Yes, children. Sun is the main source of all the energies on the earth. Okay, sun is the main source of all the energies on the earth, and the energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. Whatever the energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. Okay, all the living organisms need this solar energy for their daily life. Okay, or to survive that life, all the living organisms need this solar energy. And we already learned in the first lesson, all the plants use this solar energy to prepare their food. Okay, plants prepare their food by using this solar energy. Okay, that process is called as a photosynthesis. Okay, children, sun is the main source of all the energies on the earth. The energy we get from the sun is called as a solar energy. Okay, all the living organisms need this solar energy to survive their life. Okay, and all the plants use this solar energy to prepare their food, and that process is called as a photosynthesis. Okay, and nowadays we use this solar energy for a different purpose. Solar water heater. Okay, and we use by using this solar energy we can produce electricity. Okay, we can run vehicles nowadays. Okay, that means this solar energy we use in a different purpose. Okay, and next one is a wind energy. Air is one of the source of energy. We already learned sun, air, water. These all are naturally available energies in our environment. Okay, air is also one of the source of energy. Okay, moving air possesses energy. Okay, moving air possesses energy. That energy is called as a wind energy. Okay, moving air possesses energy, and that energy is called as a wind energy. Okay, in our ancient people use this wind energy in a ship or boat on the oceans. Okay, with the help of this wind energy. Okay, then nowadays we use this wind energy in a windmills to produce electricity. Okay, by using this wind energy, we in a windmills we can produce electricity with the help of turbines. Okay, when this wind moves fast and this turbines rotates and it produces electricity. Okay, it means in a windmills we can use this wind energy to produce electricity. Okay, then next one, stored energy of water. Okay, in previous class only we learned flowing water is also one of the source of energy. Okay, we already learned that in our nature we have natural energies. They are sun, air, water, wind. Okay, flowing energies also has a energy. Okay, and this flowing water are stored in dams which are built across a river. This flowing water are stored in dams which are built across a river in the form of a potential energy. Okay, when this stored water are allowed to flow, okay, when this stored water are allowed to flow through a crushed gates from higher level to on the turbines. Okay, due to the force exerted by a running water, turbines rotate fast and produce electricity. Okay, and these are called hydroelectric power generating stations. Okay, these are called hydroelectric power generating stations. Okay, we already know that flowing water is also has a energy. Okay, and this flowing water we stored in a dams which are built across a river. Okay, in the form of a potential energy. When we are allowed to store this water through a crest gates from higher level